day is closer and closer, and I decided to devote one of my tutorials to that topic. So during our today's class, I will show you how to paint a cute envelope that I can actually call love envelope, and that's so simple, and it will be created in a watercolor style. So let's get started. And guys, if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's go. Hello guys, hello everyone. During our today's tutorial, we're gonna paint a love envelope, if you can say so, devoted to St. Valentine's Day. And I'm gonna use my new watercolor brush set that I created, which is Procreate, BooStudio, Watercolor. We have different brushes, and I'm gonna use Arches texture papers. I'm gonna create a short sketch, and I will use both thin ink watercolor brush, and I'm gonna use our Valentine's for You color palette that you might get at one of my last Skillshare classes. I can leave the link to the description where you can go and simply download that. So let's start, and first we need to paint a rectangle, of course. How can we do that? So I need to draw a line, and after I just need to press. Great, and after edit shape. Okay, perfect. Why I'm using this brush? Because I like and I need this rough texture. You see the lines here from our brush. And my next step is, I like the way how it looks. I will just duplicate it, because actually in envelope we have like two parts. And my next step is, guys, I just need to go and fill it with some particular color. I will go and grab Perfect Edger and Smudger. Now we need to create a new layer that is underneath of our first layer, this one. And I need to fill this area with some particular color. And I like this brush because it can help us to reach this authentic watercolor look. Use same brush as a blender, so I'm gonna blend some edges. You might also check another blender that I have, this one. It's called Watercolor Smudger. Next step is I need to duplicate it, and I just want to blend the line. I don't want to make it that visible. Just slightly leave the edges, even not everywhere. Well, pretty good. And after that I will just merge it together. Okay, we have one part. Now we need to create a new layer that is underneath. I do like this blender. Now let's just merge it together. So we have two separate layers, and I need to create a new layer that is on the top of everything. And for now we can turn off our envelopes, and I go and grab same brush, both thin ink watercolor, and I will go and I want to paint hearts. Okay, we created a new layer. Now guys, I want to create perfect heart, and what I'm gonna do in this way, I go to our actions button, press canvas, after the drawing guide, and press edit drawing guide, press options, and you need to be sure that your assisted drawing guide is turned on. Press horizontal, so if you paint from one side, you will have same side from another one. I think this heart is just amazing, and I'm gonna go and grab and paint another one. go and grab same one, BooPerfect Edger, and we need to create a new layer. Turn off our drawing assist. Go to actions, draw, and turn off drawing guide. And we need to create a new layer that is underneath of our heart. And let's just fill it with a color. Now, BooPerfect Edger Smudger, let's return to our heart layer. So we've done with this one. Now let's return, grab freehand, select smaller heart, 3 fingers down and cut, paste. Okay, so next thing is let's just merge together this layer and this layer. Okay, now we have our heart. Next thing is I just want to make our layer not transparent, because as you see, when we paint the heart, because we want to create a beautiful composition, we need to actually reduce the transparency. So how can we do that? We will duplicate this layer, go to hue saturation and brightness, turn it to white and duplicate it a couple of times, merge together, duplicate, merge together, duplicate, merge together and merge together. And let's do the same with another layer. Okay, we are ready. Now we can turn on our envelope. So next thing is, guys, I'm just gonna go and duplicate our hearts a couple of times. Okay guys, that's it. And as you might see, that was so easy, so simple. And now you know how to create a beautiful envelope related to Valentine's Day. So if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other in a new video. Bye bye!